Hey guys, it's me, Katie, and I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a recorder, play two songs, and yeah. So first you're going to take the top part, which is the mouthpiece, looks like this. Then there's a hole, and then like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this long piece here, little piece with all the buttons, and then it has a back on it. What you're going to do is line it up. See how it says, you can't really see it, but it says 8-1 on it. Can't really see the 1, but there's an 8-1 on it. Right there. And then you take the back and you'll line it up like this. Take that, make it look like the back, and then it's going to have like this. And then you turn it around and it's going to look like this. And then you take the bottom part, which it has two holes. And then it has a bottom hole. And then what you do is you line that up with the other buttons. And then there you go. That is how you assemble it. Then I'm gonna show you how to play Hot Cross Buns and Yankee Doodle. So yeah. So what you're gonna do if you play Hot Cross Buns, you're gonna do like this. So you're gonna use these three notes, but you're gonna put your thumb in the back. Okay, it's hard to show. You're gonna put your my camera's moving. Okay, so you're gonna put your thumb in the back in the hole. So like put your thumb here. Then you're gonna have it like this, and then you're gonna go, and then you put your other hand right here. Not your hand, but your finger right there. And then you put this one here. And then you do that again. And then you do the and then what you do is you take this finger off right here, your wedding finger right here, take that off, and then you go, wait. Oh, so you don't take that off, you're gonna go, wait. That's how you play it, so you're gonna go, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna blow 3 times, and then you're gonna take your wedding finger off, and you're gonna have those two. And you're going to take your middle finger off, and you're just going to have those two. And then you're going to go Hot Cross Buns at the last. And then I'm going to show you how to play Yankee Doodle. Oops. Okay. Get that out of the way. There is my background. No. Okay. So, let me get this. Okay, so now what you're going to do with Yankee Doodle is you're going to go, wait. I'm like new to this. Well, I've had it for like 3 years, and I haven't played it since 3 years, so yeah. That's how you play it. Well, it's kind of sucky because I went fast, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to go, like Hot Cross Buns, you're going to go this one, and this one. So you're going to go, and then you're going to go 2, 2, 2, no, yeah, 2, 2, and then blow. So and then you're going to blow these two like this twice. So then you're going to go, and then you're going to go like, wait. No! Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. So once you're there, you're going to go, so you're going to go blow, down, so, and then you're going to go down here, and this is how it's all going to sound. But so that's how you play it, all those songs and how you do it. So make sure you like, comment down below if you want me to do any other songs, and subscribe. Please subscribe, because maybe you might get a giveaway. Maybe. So if you do, go subscribe. If I can get this to 12 likes, I will make another video. So bye!